Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am redoing this dresser that I found on the side of the road. I ended up going with a dark color. I went with flat black. This is the first coat. It did take 2 coats of black. And I did end up just keeping the hardware that it came with. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't already, stay and subscribe. Don't forget to like and share, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.